Now, your exclusive Storm Team forecast from KTVO. Expect more.
Good Sunday night to you. Hoping you had a great weekend and ready to start off your new work week tomorrow. We could be seeing isolated showers tonight into Monday. Seasonal fall-like temperatures are returning this work week, but more rain chances are in the forecast once again for the later part of the week. But it was a gorgeous Sunday across the region. Temperatures a little bit more mild in the mid-60s, but over the last few hours, we've had some very light sprinkles and showers begin to move into the western portions of our viewing area, and that's how it's going to be looking as we head into the overnight hours and into our Monday morning. Now, not everyone is going to see the light showers. It's going to be very isolated, and it should all be out of here tomorrow morning, just in time for the Monday morning commute as you head back to work and school. We could see an additional chance of slight showers tomorrow night into early Tuesday morning, but once again, very isolated and making way for a very nice Tuesday across the region. Now, the other thing we're going to be noticing over the next 24 hours is the winds. They're going to be going from west to south, so it's going to be feeling a little breezy as that winds are going to be changing, but it's going to also help bring up our temperatures back to where they should be for this time of the year in the upper 60s to low 70s. 55 and mostly clear in Kirksville with winds coming from the southwest at 3 miles per hour. 52 and cloudy in Ottumwa, winds coming from the west-southwest at 5 miles per hour. Overnight lows are going to be going into the 50s and into the upper 40s tonight. So overnight lows are set to go down to 45 degrees, which is where we're supposed to be for this time of the year, with those isolated showers and west winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. As you head off to work and school tomorrow morning, as you take your kids to school, it's not looking too bad. The rain should be out of here, making way for mostly clear skies and seasonable conditions with 48 degrees. So I'm giving a grade of an A tomorrow for that Monday morning commute. Knee-high naturalist taking place tomorrow at the Missouri Department of Conservation at 10:30 a.m. Mostly sunny and 55 degrees. Temperatures by lunchtime tomorrow are going to be past or at the 60-degree mark, and then it's going to be at or the mid-60s by tomorrow and in the upper 50s by this time tomorrow night. So for your high tomorrow, 66 degrees with mostly sunny skies with west winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. For your Monday night, 49 degrees tomorrow for your overnight low with slight chances of rain and southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Looking ahead to the next 5 days, I did say we are going to be seeing a better chance of rain heading into the later part of the work week. A 40% chance of rain late Wednesday night, 60% chances of rain on Thursday. And then look at how cool the temperatures are going to get as we head into Friday, 59 degrees and mostly sunny. And don't forget, you can always get your weather 24/7 at heartlandconnection.com. So a mixed bag in the forecast this week, Eddie. A little bit of something for everyone.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad coming up. A little fall weather.
Yeah, it is that transitional time of the year weather-wise.
Thank you, Vanessa.
You're welcome, Eddie.
Ryan is up